Hi everyone, it's Susie Lee with 66 Degrees. Want to show you a cool feature in Gemini with Sheets. So as you guys know, I'm planning a team event in New Orleans for January, and I need a budget to get approved to make this happen. So we're going to remove these tables and we're going to go to Gemini to help me. So I put together a prompt. So create a budget for team offsite in January 20th. We're going to fly in the 20th. We're going to start the 21st. We're going to finalize everything on the 23rd. And potentially, we're going to stay over on the 24th. These are the attendees. We will need to create costs for breakfast, lunch, dinner, daily team events, conference room. And I forgot to put hotel room. So hotel room. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this into Gemini and see what it creates for me. This is really nice because it's not going to have the correct prices, but it's going to build me a table and put in the formulas for everything that I need. So that way, when I do get pricing from different vendors and then I decide on something, I can make it really easy. And there we go. I like this. So accommodations, 6 nights for 7 people. Average price is $428. Seems very high. I'll be negotiating, so we'll get that down. Conference room for 3 days. That's also pretty high, but also I will be negotiating on that. $50 for breakfast. That's kind of high. Usually it's about $35 to $40. But there are like taxes and gratuities, $75 for lunch, $125 for dinner, and then team events. This actually looks pretty good. So I'm actually going to insert this. And once I get my vendors and get pricing down, I think I could definitely clean this up and then use it to submit for approval.